What's up guys, happy Eid and it's time for some breaking news. We finally got our first look at Google's next big thing. You're looking at the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. The Samsung X Google was true all along. Google is indeed adopting a Galaxy design when it comes to the front. We have a punch hole towards the middle. It actually looks like a bezel-less version of the Galaxy S20 FE. For the first time ever, we have triple camera setup on a Pixel device. The Pixel 6 Pro model is rocking a triple camera setup while the non-Pro model has a dual camera setup. According to John Prosser, Google will be adding additional telephoto lens for the Pixel 6 Pro. Rest of the cameras are wide and ultra-wide angle lens. Now, there is definitely a camera bump going on. We don't know the actual camera specs, but for the first time in years, Google is expected to bring a huge hardware change. There is a possibility that Google might be using a Samsung camera sensor. As for the look of the phone, when it comes to the back, you can see we have sort of a Pixel 2 type design going on. It's also reminding me a bit about the new Galaxy Z Flip 3 design. We've got that duotone color going on. Again, this is a very early first look of the design. A final product will definitely be better in real life. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Now, Google is indeed going back to the old ways. These devices are indeed full-on flagship phones. They're back in the game to challenge both Samsung and Apple. For the first time in history, Google is bringing its own processor with the Pixel 6 lineup based on Samsung's 5nm architecture. This is actually confirmed by Google themselves. According to a link that leads to Google's source code, the word Whitechapel, GS101, and P21 are mentioned. P21 here is the reference to the new Pixel 6 devices. GS101 is supposed to be for Samsung X Google, and finally, Whitechapel is the code name for Google's own processor. For the first time, we have a phone from Google running Google's own software with Google's own chip. The amount of control that Google will have on this flagship generation is something they never had before. Guys, I am super duper excited. For the first time, Google is using a Pro name for its high-end flagship phone. Unfortunately, we don't have the information on the camera sensor yet, but I am absolutely pumped. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Now, when it comes to overall features, this time Google isn't leaving anything behind. According to the recent leak, Google is possibly working on ultra-wideband technology for the upcoming Pixel 6 lineup. Google is testing out ultra-wideband technology for a device with a code name Raven. This code name is linked towards one of the Pixel 6 devices, and it could be the Pixel 6 Pro. Thanks to UWB, the Pixel 6 devices will be compatible with the recent trackers, just like the S21 Ultra and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So there we go, first look at Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. A pretty unique design, reminds me of that Pixel 2. I really hope that we see a brand new camera sensor as well. Drop your impressions in the comment section below, and yeah, if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see my face, and yeah, with that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.